Hey there, this is Larry Beecham, and today I want to give a quick tip, a branding tip, on how you can position yourself as a respected expert even if you have no credibility, even if you have nothing to show for it. Now you might be asking yourself, how's that even possible? Larry, I'm just getting started in my business. I don't have a single person recruited. I haven't made a single penny. I haven't generated one single lead. How in the world will I be able to pull off the whole idea of being an expert? Well, I'm going to share with you what I did 4 years ago when I first got started online myself. Now, I started off coming off the cable industry, installing cable in people's homes, and I had absolutely no credibility, nothing to show for it, no reason for anyone to respect me. But I noticed something that was a nice little secret to how I could get around that challenge until I did, in fact, build my own credibility. So there's two ways you can get credibility. You can build it or you can borrow it. That's what I want to talk about, borrowed credibility. Now, when I say borrow credibility, what I'm talking about is locating someone who already has the credibility, the credentials, the reputation that you're striving to get, and create a partnership with this person, if not for just a short period of time. What I mean by that is, let's use Oprah Winfrey as an example. Now, Oprah at one point wasn't Oprah Winfrey. She was just a girl who had a TV show that could have failed miserably. But an unknown Oprah Winfrey became a Oprah because she ended up hosting celebrity guests as well as industry experts on her show. And over time, that created a transfer of credibility to Oprah, while at the same time she was building her brand, she was doing business, she was gaining real world success. But along the way, she had to borrow credibility by connecting to people who had credibility. So you can do the same thing. So the easiest way for you to get started in building your credibility is borrow someone else's. So that means go out and find someone that's in your field, in your business, in whatever it is that you do. Pick up the phone and give them a call. I can't tell you the number of people who have called me for an interview. They put me on their blog, they put me on their YouTube channel, and they feature me on a webinar, a conference call, you name it. But they understood what I'm telling you, is that the more people that they could get in touch with to talk to who had credibility, it is an indirect endorsement of that person that says, listen to this guy or girl. They know what they're talking about. You should respect them. So this is the number one way to really get it fast. Building your own credibility takes time because you have to go out and produce a result. But along the way, you can fast forward that process by gathering together, I would say, a library of interviews of people who are notable, people who have some notoriety, people who are respected, people that whoever sees your content, they can go and Google that person or go to YouTube or go to Amazon.com or whatever and see that person's name in lights. All right. You being the person that connected with that individual, you automatically get credibility. One other thing I want to point out that kind of really makes this really hit home. Have you ever seen someone in pictures with people that were celebrities or actors or singers? You're like, man, this person must really be connected because you keep seeing them in those pictures, right? That's the technique. It psychologically transfers credibility to you for even being in the presence of that person, least of all having an interview with them. So I would say the first step, get on the phone with them on like freeconferencecall.com, prepare a short list of questions and just interview the person. Take that MP3 and repurpose it into multiple formats, whether it's an MP3, well, it starts off as an MP3, but whether it's a PDF document, you write down what was said. It could actually be a YouTube video that you have a slide presentation with the overlay of the audio. There's a lot of different ways to repurpose that content, but the point is keep building the inventory and you'll soon see that people will respect you. And then when you have your own standalone credibility, it'll just be all good. So if you like this idea, use it. It's what I use. It's what a lot of people use. It's a smart way to brand yourself as an expert without being one first. Okay. So if you like this idea, I got many more for you. All you have to do is visit my website and get access to not only tips just like this, but full-length training on anything you can imagine that it relates to building your business. So I look forward to having you visit my website. Thanks for listening. We'll talk on the next video. Take care and God bless.